we are. We just got here. We're actually just down the hall from the Premier Lounge, so that's kind of nice. Here's the bathroom. Two rain showers, bathtub, double sinks, and the closet. And the bar set up. Nice little Nespresso. Bottle of rum. The mini bar. Gets apparently refilled every day. And some champagne in the now I'll have to do a video of this tomorrow as well, but it is a swim out. So yeah, we'll film this again tomorrow. But this looks great. Here we are at the Dreams Macao Beach.